Okay, for this version of this question, we're going to use that same application of, find the antiderivative. But because this is going to be a polynomial, to find the antiderivative, this will be a lot easier to FOIL that out. So t, I'm starting to use x. T minus 9 squared means t minus 9 times t minus 9. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to integrate from 0 to 15 of t squared minus 18t plus 81 dt. And because I'm looking for the average value, I know it's going to be, remember, b minus a, 1 over b minus a. And since that's a, that's b, and I can kind of see how I set that up, I know I'm going to multiply that by 1 over 15, all right? Okay, so now let's do the antiderivative. So we're just going to break this up to 3 separate integrals. I'm not going to write all that, but the antiderivative t squared is 1/3 t cubed, and then minus the antiderivative of negative 18t will become negative 9t squared. Remember, we add 1 to the exponent, then divide by the new result, and then plus 81t. Then we evaluate that from 0 to 15. So it's going to be 1/3 times 15 cubed minus 9 times 15 squared plus 81 times 15. And then because it's minus f of 0, and since those are all, it's going to be 0, I'm not even going to bother. Okay, but be careful. That's one of my, if I make a mistake with this, that's usually what I'll do. It's, if that's not 0, you're going to have a subtraction. So now I'm going to just grab a calculator and do that. So 1/3 times 15 cubed minus 9 times 15 squared. I guess I could have done that one in my head, but well, I don't know. 9 times 225, maybe. Let's see, 81 times 15. So I'm getting 315. So that whole mess becomes 1 over 15 times 315. And then we'll divide that by 15, and I'm getting 21. So that has an area of, that has an average value of 21. So let me see if I get it right. 21. I better. I don't want to have to redo this video. All right, good. All right, so that's what you do. And it's the same for any function. It just makes, if you go look at that video I made about 4 over x, that's a pretty easy. It's hard to get an exact value like this, but you can. Okay, hopefully this helps.